This is the FX-1 full body protection suit from Damascus. In this video, we will show you the easiest way to assemble and use your FX-1 suit. As a general rule of thumb, we start from the bottom of our body and work our way up. The first piece we will put on is the knee and shin guards. These come with adjustable elastic straps with Velcro, allowing for a secure fit. The foot guards are also adjustable and can be removed if desired. The next item we will put on is the thigh groin protector. We start by clipping the adjustable belt. Next, we tighten the adjustable straps that secure with Velcro around your thighs. Next, we will reach under and grab the groin protector. There are two clips to secure the groin protector. These are also adjustable. Now we are ready to put on the upper body and shoulder protector. We pull the straps from our backside and tighten them to the front panel. Now we can slide our arms into the straps of the forearm elbow protectors. These contain adjustable straps providing a secure fit for your arms. Here's a quick tip. We like to attach the forearm elbow protectors to the clips that hang just below the upper arm protection panels. We do this right before we put on the upper body protector. With proper strap adjustments, the FX-1 suit can be worn in just a couple of short minutes. And that's a quick look at assembling the FX-1 full body protection suit from Damascus. For more details on the FX-1, you can visit us online